Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you all the problems you can have trying to restore the suspension on your old rusty Miata. Alright, I got the car up on jack stands. We're going to start taking this thing apart. Alright, y'all, so I'm trying to remove this nut that mounts the shock to the body. It's completely rusted. The nut is just spinning. So I bought these bolt extractors and we'll see how it goes. Well, the extractor socket did not work. So next I'm gonna take my Dremel, see if I can cut through it all the way. Yep, that worked. So I just cut this bolt here with the Dremel and then just smacked it with a hammer and it ended up coming out. So trying to get this sway bar bolt off, the Allen key in there is spinning because it's so rusted out. So I'm gonna have to cut this off. Yep, that ought to do it. All right, next issue, this lower control arm bolt runs all the way through the control arm to the other side and it is completely seized. Like, I've tried standing on this with all my weight and it's not going anywhere. So I don't know what to do. So now I'm trying to use a 2-jaw puller to try and get this bolt out. I'm gonna keep cranking on it and see if it comes out. Oh, managed to get it loose. Ended up just smacking it with a hammer a bunch. Kept putting penetrating oil on it and it finally started to move. 3-jaw puller, didn't work. Couldn't get a grasp on the control arm. So I think I can take the torque wrench to it and maybe thread it out the rest of the way. Finally managed to get this bolt out, but I'm gonna have to order a new one because it's just torn to shreds now from beating it with the hammer so much. So after pulling the lower control arms off, I realized that my alignment bolts are just completely shot. This groove is supposed to stay inside the groove on the bolt and it's just moving all over the place. We'll have to replace 8 of these on the car. I've got all the suspension components removed. Now I just need to remove the bushings from the stock control arms, get those painted, and then get the new Super Pro polyurethane bushings installed and get the new coilovers in. Okay, so I think I found the easiest way to remove these control arm bushings. And what you do is you can rent this tool from your local automotive store. Usually you can get them for free. So you just set it up like that. I use the smallest cylinder that comes in the kit. You'll find that this piece is probably stuck on there. So just take out your hammer. And there you go. Easy as that. So I just sprayed all these with a rust remover. We'll come back in a little bit and see if it worked. Don't try this at home. Alright guys, so I went with the VMAX Track Pack coilovers. They're sold by Flying Miata, and with these you have to use the stock top hats and OEM bushings. I ordered all new bushings here just so to make sure everything's not compressed because the old ones looked pretty bad. All the new bushings are installed in the control arms, so now we're ready to install all the new suspension components. Stay tuned for that.